Here we have the Vanmass car cell phone holder. Now there's a lot of cell phone holders on the market and you may not be willing to upgrade yours, but take a good look at this one. This one has an automatic clamp type feature that I feel it is invaluable if you're getting in and out your vehicle with your cell phone. It has an easy release by squeezing the two tabs together, which opens up the arms. And as you rest the cell phone in the holder, it triggers a clamping motion which securely holds your cell phone upright, straight, and in place. With this one-touch speedy operation, it makes mounting and dismounting your cell phone from the holder a breeze. Car phone mount fits 4.7 to 6.9 phones, even with a thick cover like mine. Trouble-free even in emergency brake situations and through speed bumps and road potholes. The internal metal piece inside effectively assists cooling the phone. The suction cup is a high-end design. Not many cell phone holders come with a 3-year warranty like the Vanmass. Consider this for your upgrade cell phone holder.